Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zeel. In this video, I'll be doing a very beginner friendly makeup tutorial on smudged eyes and nude lips. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. First, to prep my skin, I'll be using this moisturizer called Emollient. It's easily available at any drugstore, and trust me, it's the best moisturizer out there. I'm just massaging it into my skin. Then for my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. My shade is 230 Natural Buff. Just applying it all over my skin and blending it out with this makeup sponge. Because this is a beginner friendly makeup tutorial, I feel this foundation is just the right foundation for this look. The formula is amazing, there are so many shades available, and I always find myself reaching out for this for everyday makeup looks. Once we are done with that, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. My shade is 25 medium and I'm applying it in the usual areas, applying it under my eye, around the nose, and just where I want to apply to conceal the blemishes, acne scars. And then I'm using this brush from PAC. It's in the number 073. Blends my concealer beautifully, and I'm blending it out. I also really enjoy the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, but I just feel that because Maybelline Fit Me is a liquid concealer, it blends away without me putting in a lot of effort. And then to set the concealer in place, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and I'm using the yellow shade that I pointed out earlier, and I'm setting all the areas. Whenever I use this powder, my makeup does not move at all. I really wish that they bring back this shade in stock. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. It's literally an eyebrow pencil that I cannot put down. If you've been around, you know that I've been using this in all my videos. But that's how much I've been enjoying this pencil, and you can see that it makes my brows look fuller and yet very natural. I like to use this spoolie every now and then just to make sure that the hair is pointed in the right direction and it looks a little bit more natural. Doing the same on my other eyebrow, and yeah, there we have it. I think they also have two more variants in their eyebrow range, but I like this one, the Micro Brow Perfector, the most. To set the brows in place for the rest of the day, I'll be using the Nykaa Oh My Brow Gel. NYX and Nykaa actually make really good drugstore brow gels. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Spotlight eyeshadow, and I'm using this light chocolate brown shade and applying it on my crease. I didn't want a lot of color, I just wanted a little bit of something, and this shade just did that. Because it's light, I'm trying to build up the color, and as you can see, it just gave that really soft brown dimension to my eyes. Again, I think it's perfect for beginners. If you're a beginner at eyeshadow, it's going to take some practice, but keep one thing in mind, that blending is key. The more you blend, the more flawless any kind of makeup is going to look. Then I'll be using this burgundy brown shade, and I'll be using a pointed eyeshadow brush to create a wing. I've been enjoying doing this off late, where if I don't want to use a winged eyeliner, if I don't want to take so much of effort, I would just take a dark brown or a dark burgundy or a dark black and create a very soft wing, and it just makes you look so presentable with a very minimum effort. Applying the same on my lower lash line. I went with this shade because it kind of matched my top, and I really liked how it looked. Then to coat my lashes, I'm using my trusty L'Oreal Volume Million lashes. I like to keep the mirror below, look below, and then apply the mascara so that it does not transfer on my lid. But I still managed to mess my lower lash line, you'll see that in a bit. But jokes apart, I really love this mascara. And there you have it. Yeah, that's right. I'm just going to wait for the mascara to dry and then flake it out using a bud, and then I'm again going in with a fresh layer, and really love this mascara, absolutely good. For my blush, I'm using the Faces Canada blush in the shade Hot Pink. The names of the products will be listed down in the description box. You can check it out. I have been really loving liquid blushes, cream blushes, and this blush has topped the list. It blends beautifully, as you saw, and gave such a healthy pink or flush of color on my cheeks. Taking a little bit on my nosies as well. Then I'm using the Wet n Wild contour shade from the contour palette, and I actually use it as a bronzer and less of a contour. I just feel the undertone suits my skin so well. If you're confused about what a bronzer is, it's used to bring back some color to your face, which is otherwise very flat with the foundation. For my lipstick, I'll be using the Miss Claire lip cream in the shade 58. It's a very pretty nude brown color. I think it would suit a lot of fair to medium skin tones, actually even duskier skin tones for that matter. And to seal it all in, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to wait for it to set, and there we have it. A very simple, beginner friendly smoked eyeliner and nude lips makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell button so that you get notified each time I upload a new video.